So this is the newest member of the Fingerlings. This cute little monkey is Ava. I just love the pretty colors. She responds to talking and touching and has over 40 sayings. The cool thing is she goes on your finger. She kind of sits on your finger and just chit-chats with you while she's on your finger. But like I said, she's just a chitter-chatter box that will just keep kids entertained. Touch her hands, and she responds with different sayings. And no saying is ever the same. Like I said, there's 40. She has over 40 different sayings. I know. Hello to you too, Ava. She's just one cutie. Again, this is Ava from the Fingerlings. Just one of the many cute little Fingerlings that you can get. Makes a great Easter basket present.